Imagine winning a 5 crore government tender, your team completes the project, the work is approved, everything looks perfect, but when your final payment arrives, 50 lakh is missing. And the worst part, the department didn't cheat you. The deduction was already written in the tender document. Today I will show you how to identify these hidden penalty clauses before they destroy your profit. Welcome back to our tender red flag series. In part 1 we expose restrictive eligibility conditions. In part 2 we uncovered dangerous payment terms. Today we are covering one of the biggest profit killers, hidden penalties. Stay till the end because I will also share a simple checklist that can help you identify risky penalty clauses in just 2 minutes before submitting any bid. Most bidders spend hours checking quantities, rates, payment schedules, and eligibility, but very few carefully read the liquidated damages section. That single mistake can cost far more than any pricing error. Liquidated damages, commonly called LD, and pre-agreed penalties included in the tender. If you delay completion or fail to meet certain contractual obligations, the client can deduct these amounts from your payment without negotiating a new penalty. Not every penalty clause is a problem. A reasonable clause has a clear percentage, a maximum cap, and objective conditions. A dangerous clause has no upper limit, vague wording, or excessive deductions that can wipe out your profit. Penalty clauses aren't always under the heading liquidated damages. They can appear in warranty conditions, safety requirements, documentation obligations, or special conditions. That's why read the entire document, not just one section. If you see an unlimited liability clause, stop and evaluate it carefully. This can make your company responsible for losses that exceed the contract value itself. One clause like this can put your entire business at risk. Be cautious when the contract uses subjective language instead of measurable standards. If terms like client satisfaction or unsatisfactory performance aren't clearly defined, they can become grounds for unexpected deductions. Let's look at a simple example. On a 2 crore project, you expect a 20 lakh profit, but heavy penalty deductions reduce it to just rupees 5 lakhs or even zero. Winning the tender doesn't guarantee a profitable project. Before submitting any bid, review every penalty clause. Check whether deductions are capped, understand warranty obligations, and ask questions during the pre-bid stage if any condition seems unfair or unclear. Hidden penalties don't usually appear as surprises after award. They are already written into the tender. The key is to identify them before you bid. In the next episode, we will uncover another costly mistake: contradictory specifications. I will show you how conflicting drawings and BOQs can lead to disputes, extra work, and financial losses. If this video helped you understand hidden penalty clauses, please like and share it with someone who bids for government tenders. Subscribe to Tender Insights because every week we break down real tender risk and show you how to bid smarter, not just cheaper. Which penalty clause have you found most challenging? Share your experience in the comments.